Hi everyone. Hope everyone is doing well. And today's video is going to be about how actually um, to buy call option to make an order, to buy or to sell call option, or to buy or sell put option. Prepared a little bit imitation of the real brokers platform for you. We'll show you how to do that. A few words about fundamental analysis. Unless you're long-term investor, you really don't need it as an option trader, because option trader trade for 2 weeks, months, maximum 6 months period. So it's not necessary for option traders. This is I prepared for you the imitation of the brokers platform. Actually, it's part of it, right? This is last here. It's a company X. I just call it so it will be simple for simplicity purposes. Last price, like let's say the current price is 9.75. On this left side is calls. Contracts on the right side is puts options, right? Contracts. Calls. This is the in real broker platform. Usually here some other details like I just prepare just the main figures so it will be easier to understand. They have like here bid on ask price on change and some other details in the real brokers platform. Here. Here's here is the expiration date, which is September 15. Last price for the contract, which is a premium, right? Expiration date, which is only September 15, and then strike prices here, and puts the prices here for the puts options, right? So in red, you can ask why it's in red. I just wrote it's because in red I indicated the options that are ITM, which means, as you remember, is in the money options. So you see the price is 9.75. The strike price is 9.3 here in this line. So it's a call. So so it's in the money because the current price is more already than the strike price, right? And here is less, so that's why it's in black. So it's out of the money, right? The same applies in the puts options. In the money, puts out of the money. So when you want to buy, each one here represents the contract, right? See, the first line is contract, second, third, etc. For the calls and for the puts. So when you click on the platform, broker platform, on the ask, I think it's ask price, you click on it here, for example. For example, you choose this contract. You click on ask button and you get this the following form, which is called order entry, which is like spread it single side buy, or there is a combo box here. You can choose buy or sell, whatever you're interested in. Quantity of the contracts, I wrote one for the simplicity purposes again, but you can choose any quantity of the option contract that you want to buy. Symbol X, symbol, it's the symbol of the company. In this case, it's just I made up X company. But it can be like the symbol is like Apple, right? Has, I think it's APL symbol, isn't it? So this is the symbol coming here. Expiration date, as we know, is September 15, right? So we choose this contract. So it's a September 15. Strike price 10. You see, type call, right? Call. It's call. Or you can choose any type of option like puts, for example. And again, you can say, you can choose here buy or sell, here type call or puts, whatever you wish. And the price is 0.45 cents for this specific contract. And this is it. Thank you very much for watching, and wish you all the best, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.
Yes, oh, come on, shorty, let's go. Girl, I see you over there in the corner of the dance floor, and I know you're acting shy, looking at the corner